Instant courier rates, your trusted partner for urgent, time-sensitive deliveries in the senior care industry. Hi there, I'm Rachel, and today we're diving into something that every senior care facility needs to master: urgent medication deliveries and compliance. Because when lives are on the line, timing and precision aren't optional, they're critical. Urgent deliveries, why they matter more than ever. In senior care, a delayed medication or misplaced specimen isn't just inconvenient, it can be life-threatening. Whether it's prescriptions, lab samples, or medical equipment, urgent deliveries play a direct role in patient care. And when deliveries aren't tracked, verified, or secured, that's when compliance issues start creeping in. Let's talk compliance. Senior care facilities must adhere to strict regulations. HIPAA demands total confidentiality and chain of custody documentation. CLIA governs lab specimen handling, no room for errors. OSHA requires safety and risk controls across all operations. One missed delivery or unverified handoff can cost your facility thousands in fines, or worse, harm a resident. How our last mile SaaS solution helps. Real-time delivery tracking for every package. Automatic alerts for temperature-sensitive meds. Secure auditable logs for HIPAA compliance. CLIA-compliant specimen, chain of custody tools. Route insights and delivery verification to support OSHA-safe procedures. You don't need to be a logistics expert. We've built the platform so you can focus on what matters most: your residents. The bottom line: compliance isn't just about avoiding penalties, it's about protecting lives and ensuring trust. Our last mile solution is built for senior care. No guesswork, no gaps, just secure, efficient, and compliant deliveries. Ready to simplify compliance and protect your deliveries? Visit instantcourierrates.com or contact us for a quick demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your network. Until next time, keep your care timely, safe, and compliant.